Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to place this PC on desktop. Okay, this PC, control panel, networks, and user files. Okay, let's start the video. Now, click on Window, click on Personalize. Now, click on Themes. After this, scroll down. Now, click on Desktop icon setting. Select here Computer, Network, Control panel. After this, now click on Apply, click on OK. Close this setting window. Now you see here desktop icons on shown on desktop. Okay. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.